Hi everyone, this is a quick run through of a new kit I've just put together. These are some of the pictures that I've used in my other journals, and I keep getting asked, where can I get them, where can I get them? Well, I just collect old pictures, so I thought, right, okay, let's start putting some of them together into kits. So this one is 6 sheets plus a lot of actual journal pages. So they measure 11, the printed size is 11 by 8, which sort of fits in with my UK paper sizing. So you get 6 main double pages, so they will obviously fold in half, a lined sheet plus a watermark for centres if you want to use it. So I've called it Scribe Painter. The story goes, this was a manuscript done by a bloke back in the 16th century, late 1500s, with calligraphy, and that is very much what this is all about. And then when he died, it was passed on to his nephew, who then gave it to another chap to add these beautiful pictures at the bottom. So they were all done around sort of like late sort of 1500s, early 1600s, and they are gorgeous. And I have used them, I think, the last giveaway I did, so back in Vanny, if you're watching, I'm pretty sure you've got a couple of these images in your book. So I've just brought everything together and I'll go through them and show you them. So the first one, let's make it so you can see what I'm doing. So first one, they are absolutely lovely. This bloke that did both the first one to do the calligraphy, which is something I've tried and failed at desperately, I have to say. I haven't got the patience for it. And then these illustrations underneath. So that's page 1. And then page 2. They're all pretty much the same sort of colour tones. So they go beautifully, like the pinks and the yellows. Really, really impressed with, I don't know, it's just, it's old, but it looks very, very new. And the second one with the dragonfly, a little crane fly, I think, down the bottom there. So that's that was number 3. This is page 4 with the cherries on that one. I think that's a cornflower. So that one's number 5. Same sort of cornflower again. And then number 6, so that's the last of the double pages. And then that's the lined page that I've done. It's got a bit of very faint lines, a bit of watermark sort of on the side for the age. And they just go, the colours, I thought, yeah, well, that's certainly what I'm going to be doing in my next journal, is that one, and the line page. And then the watermark page. So what I mean, I've had a couple of people ask me what I mean by watermark. So very, very faint. The actual picture in the middle is very easy to write over. So that's what I mean by a watermark. I printed this out on white, although it does look really good actually on cream, which I think I should have done, but I haven't. So there we have it. Those are the latest kit to go in my shop. And thank you to the people that jumped on it really early and bought some already. I'll put the list in underneath, and thank you very much for watching. I'll speak to you all soon. Take care.